Okay, we're standing here, I think where the sprays were probably down there. I think this might have been a blast furnace somewhere along here. Maybe, I'm thinking coke ovens up this way, maybe, I don't know. Standing on the hill here. It's kind of windy, sorry about that, but anyway, we're at the Sydney Mines steel plant property. The open hearth furnaces would have been over that way, across Howell Street. But there was quite an operation here, coke ovens and a blast furnace. I'm just going to walk along here. I'm not really outfitted for doing this kind of thing today, but I just on the spur of the moment took a drive down here. So what an archaeological treasure trove this is. There's foundations there. And I'm thinking this might have been coke ovens, I don't know. But someday I'm going to come back here and do more of a survey. But this is pretty interesting here. So this was obviously right here. I see some brick work there, and there's a foundation here. Anyway, yeah, this is visible from satellite view here. This base, this was might have been the base for the stove, the smokestack for the stoves that heated the air for the blast furnace. Not very good concrete here, very crumbly. And it looks like they used limestone from Georges River in this concrete, so I don't think this was built to last. I think this was just built very quick and very cheap. Okay, okay. That's part of the foundation there. Pretty interesting place. And whatever that is over there, yeah, this is not well done. This concrete, I don't think it was made to last very long. What was that over there? Was that the blast furnace, I wonder? Anyway, interesting spot. I don't want to make this too long of a video. But yeah, very poor, very poorly done concrete here. Of course, it's 120 years old. Oh yeah, that's interesting. This stud here. Now what's inside? Okay, somebody's sleeping in there, I guess, maybe. And some artwork. Interesting. That might have been part of the blast furnaces down there, I don't know. But I'm getting down off here. This is kind of a dangerous place to be without proper footwear and long pants. Let's see now, how do we get over there? Oh, we'll get down this way. And yeah, this is interesting stuff here. Lots of bricks. Yeah. I'd like to have a map of this place and see where everything was. It'd be great. Wonderful place for an industrial archaeologist, if there is such a profession. Let's see. Ooh, what do we got here? This could be, or could it? I don't know. Could this be the base? I don't know. Could this be the base of a blast furnace? I don't know. I wonder. And there's more foundation there all along here. I wonder, could this be the base of the blast furnace? What diameter have we got here? It must be, it's only about 20 feet or so. I don't know. Maybe it's just, maybe it was just the base of the smokestack. I don't know. I don't know what's going on here. Anyway, well, we'll see. What's over this way? Anyway, beautiful day for doing this. The 29th of April 2023. Sydney Mine steel plant. Coke ovens and blast furnace area here, presumably. Anyway, there you go. Beautiful day.